Hello guys! Welcome once again to Tess Raniel's Cooking. Hello mga katessans! Kamusta na kayong lahat? For today, gagawa tayo ng Salisbury steak. Gagamit tayo guys ng ground lean beef. So dapat at least may 10% na taba ang ating beef. And then also chopped onions, chopped garlic. Gamit din tayo ng breadcrumbs. Two eggs as binder sa ating patty. For our gravy, mga katessans, gamit tayo ng iodized salt, black ground pepper, of course, mushroom, evaporated milk, all-purpose flour, soy sauce, and of course, ang ating butter na magpapalilamnam sa ating gravy, and 1 piece of Knorr cubes. So, lahat yan guys, ang ingredients na gagamitin natin para sa ating Salisbury steak. Let's start. Let's mix all together our ingredients for our beef patty. First, let's put our chopped garlic. Add chopped onions. Two eggs. Pinch of salt, black ground pepper, two tablespoonfuls of evaporated milk. Let's just mix them all together. Let's add 2 tablespoonfuls of soy sauce. Let's mix them all together. Napakasimple lang ng mga ingredients na ginagamit natin. Abot kamay sa ating kusina. Then 2 tablespoonfuls of breadcrumbs. Mix them well. Then, pwede na natin ilagay ang ating ground lean beef. So, mix them all together with our hands. Mix them well para ma-incorporate ang ating ingredients sa ating ground lean beef. Just be patient, guys. And then later, napakasarap ng result ng ating burger. Napakasarap niya, guys. So, let's shape our burger patty. So actually merong molder na ginagamit dito. Pero pwede rin natin gamitin ang ating hands by molding them into round shape. So ayan. O diba guys, konting tiyaga lang at meron tayong round patty. Madali lang yan guys kasi may binder na tayo na ginamit na eggs and breadcrumbs. Napaka-smooth niya hawakan. Actually, may nagawa na ako ng ibang burger a while ago. Nilagay ko siya sa parchment paper and then if hindi natin balak siya lutuin agad-agad or gusto natin magtira for the following days, pwede natin ilagay sa chiller or sa freezer. Pwede pambaon-baon yan ng inyong mga anak. Pambaon sa opisina. For our merienda. For our burger buns. So, ayan. May mga reserva na kayo sa ref. Just put them in a parchment paper or saran wrap. Then, store them into your chiller or freezer. Let's start frying our burger patties. So first, maglagay tayo ng butter sa ating non-stick pan. Spread out the butter on the pan. So, fry na natin ang ating burger patties. At this point, naglalabas na siya ng super bango na aroma. Napaka-solid ng ating burger. So, pure lean beef talaga ang ginamit. So, ang bango talaga niya. Maaamoy nyo lang. So, ayan. Let's fry them. Mamaya, magkakaroon na tayo ng Salisbury steak. From burger patty to Salisbury steak. Yan ang abangan nyo guys. Let's fry them for at least 3 to 4 minutes at a slow heat. Napakabango ng aroma niya. Iba talaga pag pure beef talaga ang ginamit natin. Let's start making our gravy. So let's put 2 cups of water. Then add 1 cup of evaporated milk. Then let's put 1 nor beef cube. So nor, baka naman. Then add natin ng 2 tablespoonful of cornstarch. Wala pang apoy ang ating pan, ha? Hindi ko pa sinisindihan ang kanyang apoy. So, later siya, guys. So, let's add our 2 tablespoonful of soy sauce. Mix them well. Be sure na ma-melt natin maigi ang ating cornstarch bago natin i-on ang ating heat. So, as I have said a while ago, hindi ko pa sinisindihan ang ating stove. Then let's add 1 teaspoon of black ground pepper. At this point, pwede na natin i-on ang ating apoy sa stove. Tikman muna natin siya. So, okay na ang kanyang timplada. Let's mix it. Then, pwede na natin ilagay ang ating mushroom. Ayan. Ilagay na natin ating sliced mushroom. Let's give it a mix. Upon mixing, nagiging creamy na ang ating mushroom gravy sauce. Nagtitiken na siya. So, nag-activate na ang cornstarch na inilagay natin a while ago. Tikman ulit natin. Wow, ang sarap. Tamang-tama na ang kanyang timplada. So, ilagay na natin ang ating butter. Yan, lalo magpapaalsa ng lasa at sarap ng ating mushroom gravy. So, i-mix natin siya maigi. So, ayan guys. Grand entrance ng ating butter na nagpapasarap sa anumang recipe. So, ayan guys. Bagay na bagay sa ating mushroom gravy. Wow, napaka-yummy na niya. Ayan, napaka-creamy na ng ating gravy. So, off na natin ang heat. It's done. So, set aside muna natin ang ating mushroom gravy. Gawa naman tayo ng ating java rice. Ito pa na ginamit ko. Ito yung pinagprituhan ng ating burger patties. Patties natin. So, ang linamnam ng patties natin, mahalo sa ating java rice. So, ginasa ko ang ating chopped garlic. And then, naglagay ako ng annatto oil para magkaroon ng kulay ang ating java rice. Then, add natin ang ating chopped onions. So, after sauteing, ilagay na natin ang ating rice. Ayan guys, ang bango ng aroma. Nakakagutom. Then, let's add turmeric powder. So, ayan, turmeric powder na yan. Magpapatingkad lalo ng kulay ng ating java rice. Bukod sa kulay, napaka-healthy ng turmeric powder na yan. So, nag-add pa ako ng another half sachet of turmeric. Napaka-healthy ng turmeric powder na yan sa ating lutuin. So, ayan guys, ang ganda na ng kulay ng ating java rice. So, set aside muna natin siya for a while. So, let's do our plating. Ito na ang ating java rice. I-form na natin siya sa ating plate. Ito yung ating mashed potato and our buttered carrots. So, naglagay ako ng 1 cup of java rice. Then, of course, ang ating burger steak. So, ayan guys. Nako, I can't wait to taste them. Then, of course, ilalagay na natin ang ating mushroom gravy. Ayan guys, napaka-creamy ng ating gravy. Napakasarap. Ayan, gandahan natin ang ating plating. And then, maglagay tayo ng ating mashed potato as our side dish. And also, our buttered carrots. Itong carrots na to, hiniwa ko ito into fine cubes. And then, prinay ko siya sa butter. So, napakasarap ng lasa niya. Manamis-namis. So, So, ayan na ang ating Salisbury steak with Java rice and served with side dish like mashed potato and carrots. So, ayan guys, ang tikiman portion na tayo. Napakasarap ng ating Salisbury steak. So, what are you waiting for? Mag-try din kayo ng ganitong recipe and I'm really sure na magugustuhan ito ng inyong family. Napaka-saucy tingnan kahit sa bahay. Saucy pag may time. I hope you do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Again, mga katesans, until my next vlog, thanks for watching. Bye!